If you have not taken a bite of a mango while it is on the tree, you have not enjoyed your youth. You have not enjoyed your life. And the kulfi, solid, but it has to melt in your mouth. I tell you, sometimes you need to take a bite, sometimes you need to suck on it. So, my wife expects me to be normal, and trust me, that was the worst 2 minutes of my life. Which is your favorite fruit? Mine is mango. In mango, which mango? Alfonso, Pedda Rasalu, the juicy big mangoes. Chinna Rasalu, the smaller sucking mangoes. Telugu people's favorite, Banginpelli. World city favorite, Himayat. Daseri, always in groups. So today let's make a kulfi, that too with mango flavor. This is the last year mangoes that are in my freezer. I removed the pulp and I'm making it. And for this, I've taken a liter milk and I've reduced it to half the quantity on slow boiling. Making these mangoes into this kulfi is an art. It's a child's art. Anybody can make it. To make the mango kulfi rich, I'm going to add some nuts powder. I'm going to use badam, pista and cashew nut, powder them along with some cardamom and then mix to this. For flavoring our kulfi, add cardamom into a blender and add some sugar. First powder this because I do not want the nuts to become fine powder. I want them to be coarsely ground. Now, I'll go all nuts, pista, badam and some cashew nut. Once again, burr burr burr. Now, this powder, add to this milk which is already condensed. I love this. I love this flavor. The moment you add, this becomes nice and beautiful. And just let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. That should be enough. Once, bring this to a boil and switch off the flame. This is when we make commercially, we add CMC, GMC. CMC is a kind of a cellulose thing that stabilizes your ice creams. And this GMC, this is actually made with cluster beans. And this also helps in holding the aeration, anything if you want. So again, another stabilizer. Do not add too much, very little. Just add a spoonful of water. Make sure this mixes well. Look at it, how this is becoming like a jelly. That is what I'm talking about, without any lumps. Mixed, add a little bit of this mixture and mix it well. Don't worry if you don't have the CMC, GMC. You can also add slightly cooked corn flour to this. That will also work. Once this is mixed up well, add rest of the mixture and mix it well. Now your kulfi is all stabilized. You will not find crystals. It will be nice and smooth. But where is mango? Let's get there. Next step is mango puree. You know, these are the frozen mangoes which I kept last year so that throughout the year I can enjoy mangoes. So just cut them into pieces, put in a blender, made the puree. Now, along with sugar, add this puree. Let this cook for a few minutes, not too much. Later, we're going to mix it with that milk mixture. Then we'll make our kulfi. Let this mango puree come to a boil. That's it. Switch it off. Let it cool down. We'll mix it with this milky kulfi mixture. Then we'll have mango kulfi. Nice pouring consistency. In this, the cool down kind of mango puree we need to add. Keep mixing. In this kulfi little molds. So in the kulfi mold, fill it to the brim. All I love to do is, my favorite job, always putting it in. Put in the freezer overnight, next day, enjoy it. When it is hot out, make it cool inside. If kulfi can grow on the trees, that would be the greatest things. But a kulfi, this is, sorry, this is much better than you. You have to get ripe. You know what I mean? Wow. Kulfi is as much fun when you suck it and even when you bite it. Wow. This is by habit, but you can enjoy mangoes throughout the year. What I do is, ripe mangoes, I put it in the freezer and I enjoy throughout the year making delicious mango sweets.